Welcome to the National Weather Service Spokane, Washington weekly weather briefing. My name is Andy Brown, and I'll be covering the expected weather for the upcoming week, Tuesday, January 8th through Monday, January 15th, 2013. Since forecasts are subject to change, please do not use this presentation after 6 a.m. Tuesday, January 8th. This week is expected to be active early before settling into a colder pattern later in the week. The big story early on will be a warm front bringing another chance of rain and snow to the region Tuesday. Temperatures behind the front will be well above normal, leading to the potential for some minor flooding. On Wednesday, a cold front sweeps through the region, bringing temperatures back below normal. The weekend outlook includes a chance of snow, and then I'll briefly talk about the extended forecast. Tuesday afternoon, a low-pressure system moves toward Vancouver Island. The associated warm front will move north, bringing much of the region's snow early Tuesday before transitioning over to rain at the lower elevations. The warm temperatures will lead to snow melting, forcing river levels to rise across the inland northwest. This graphic depicts the expected snow amounts across the inland northwest through 4 p.m. Tuesday. The light blue shading indicates most lower elevations will see up to about 3 inches of snow for this event before temperatures rise above freezing in the afternoon. Mountain snowfall totals, generally above 3,000 feet, will be significantly higher, particularly the Cascades as well as the northeastern Washington and northern panhandle of Idaho mountains. Regarding the potential for flooding, we like to monitor the snowpack in the mid and lower elevations. Any sudden warm-up could lead to flooding concerns. This graphic shows how deep the snowpack is around the region. After an active second half of December and now the most recent storm, many areas are reporting average to above average snowpacks for this time of year, so it will continue to be worthwhile to closely monitor local streams and rivers as temperatures rise above freezing and the snow begins to melt. This picture is of the St. Joe River, taken just a few days ago at Calder. The recent cold weather pattern has led to ice buildup in some regions. Although not likely at this time, the potential is there, so please be aware and watch for any ice jams forming along local rivers. Although we are expecting the warm temperatures to melt some snow and minor rises on most rivers, we are not expecting any flooding at this time. Again, please monitor rivers for minor flooding or ice jams and report any significant changes to your local National Weather Service forecast office. Looking ahead to Wednesday, the low-pressure system moves inland and a cold front sweeps across the region. Temperatures drop quickly Wednesday night as the Arctic air mass spills over the inland northwest. Snow showers could linger through the remainder of the week, but the big story will be the return of below-average temperatures. This 7-day forecast is for Spokane, but I could have picked anywhere in the inland northwest and it would show the exact same thing. Temperatures warming above freezing through Wednesday before drastically dropping below normal the rest of the week. Thursday through Friday, highs in the most valley floors could be in the teens to lower 20s, while low temperatures reach the single digits to lower teens. The temperatures moderate only slightly by the weekend as the next low-pressure system approaches the region. Looking at the precipitation chances across the bottom of the graphic, snow and rain is likely early before tapering off to isolated to scattered snow showers the rest of the week. Saturday and Sunday, all forecast models indicate a low-pressure system originating from the Northeast Pacific and British Columbia. The timing and impacts are unclear at this time as there is significant disagreement between those forecast models. Please stay tuned for updates later in the week or check your local forecast as the weekend picture becomes more clear. The 8 to 14 day outlook issued by the Climate Prediction Center shows a better than average chance of below normal precipitation. During the same time, there is a strong indication that much of the western half of the U.S. will experience below average temperatures. So overall, cold and dry during the week of January 14th through the 20th. In summary, this week will be active early on with a warm front bringing snow and rain Tuesday, and then a noticeable warming through the midweek. With that, expect minor rises in rivers and streams. A cold front ushers below normal temperatures back to the region Wednesday, with just a slight chance of snow showers. A little bit of uncertainty in the forecast as we head toward the weekend with the possibility of more snow. Here's how you can stay informed and get the latest information from the National Weather Service Forecast Office. Our forecasts are Our forecast and various winter weather products are available on our website, weather.gov/Spokane. Like us on Facebook, follow us on Twitter, and subscribe to us on YouTube. And as always, you can listen to us on NOAA Weather Radio. Thank you for tuning in for this weekly weather briefing.